In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Samsung laptop screen flickering problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present various different solutions to help you address issues related to the screen on your Samsung laptop. So I'm gonna show them in order, and one of them will help you fix this issue for you. The very first thing that I recommend is to simply power cycle your laptop. So if you haven't restarted your laptop in a while, go ahead, power it off, give it a minute or two, and then power it back on again. Oftentimes, this simple step can resolve temporary software glitches. If you notice that even after restarting your laptop, the issue still persists, then the next thing to do is to check for any sort of software update. So you can go over to the settings in Windows, and if you go over to Windows Update, you will be able to check for updates. If you notice that any pending updates are presented here, it's very important to set some time aside so you can update everything as needed. So for example, I got this one. Of course, it doesn't have anything to do with the screen. It is Microsoft Defender, but the point is you should regularly check for updates. The next thing to do is to go into the display settings. In here, you will be able to ensure that the screen is properly set up, and most importantly, if you scroll down, you can go to advanced display and configure the refresh rate. Oftentimes, modern Samsung laptops will handle up to 120 or even higher refresh rates, but going to the highest refresh rate possible can sometimes cause issues. So what I would recommend is that if you are set to the highest refresh rate available, lower it accordingly. See if the issue still persists, and if the issue goes away, then you can try increasing it one by one until the issue appears again. This could be a problem of the laptop not being able to handle the highest refresh rates possible. With this out of the way, the next thing to do is to update any sort of video drivers that you have. You can visit the official Samsung website and do it from there, or alternatively, right-click the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, and inside of Device Manager, under Display Adapters, you will find your specific graphics card. So it is usually going to be from NVIDIA or AMD. Afterwards, you can visit amd.com/drivers or nvidia.com/drivers. And in here, you can look for your specific GPU drivers. So for example, Radeon RX 7000 series, and then just choose it from here. Usually you will have an M chip, assuming that you are using a laptop. If all of this fails, then the best course of action would be to talk to the customer support, and possibly because you have a faulty screen. So talk to them and see what can be done in your specific case. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Samsung laptop screen flickering. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.